Take them and just take it.
Maybe a couple of them out here. Okay?
And take the roll. Pick those two up if you could, Alex, and move them out of the way. I'm gonna go like this. Basically, you want to unroll the whole thing. Make it a big pile.
So who cleans up the mess afterwards?
I don't, because I go back and I work at the stand tomorrow, but there's probably whoever Mike to deliver this stuff will probably be cleaning this stuff up tomorrow. Mike and Chip will probably be out here.
Probably not.
I don't think so.
Probably not.
And then we're gonna...
I'm too busy tomorrow.
What are you doing tomorrow?
Dropping you guys off some more products.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Pile both these onto each other though?
Yep.
Or all across you guys get unloaded.
Pile them onto each other.
So does anybody out here wear earplugs?
We usually don't.
I've already got hearing problems, so I don't need any more.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing. You got an extra set with you?
I don't, actually. What's that? Earplugs.
You bet you can't just push the center out and...
Yeah, you think you could, but I think that sometimes they don't light if you keep them together, kind of. I think, I don't know. Yeah. Need like a spindle.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen this many fireworks at once?
No. No, I haven't.
What? I'll be fine. Well, I'd say just two, but... Well, are those good, pals? Yeah. Pals. Home Depot still over right here. Scott! Where'd you do that in the truck?
What was that?
It's gonna, these firecrackers are gonna go in from the outsides. One person's gonna light that one person's gonna light this one, and once it gets, you know, just outside the board, some of those firecrackers will get in here and light all of them, and they'll go off. All these will go off in about 10 to 15 seconds. This whole pile, there's going to be a total of 96,000 firecrackers here. Wow. So, it's going to be quite the spectacular show. With firecrackers, at least. What you need, Chip? Wait, one more roll. You didn't. Just kidding. No.
What did you do? You just told me that all you do is mark stuff for the...
Now this is 96,000 firecrackers right there. And we have a 16,000 roll that we're giving away. That sometimes the gentleman or lady that gets it, they like to add it in sometimes. We'll ask them if they want to take it home or add it in, and usually they add it in. So we might go from 96 to 112. So that's the hope, though.
Would you guys like to see 100,000+ firecrackers go off? All right, let's start it up, guys. I haven't done this at night. Usually we get it during the day. We get the night game.